welcome back to my kitchen classroom. I hope you guys are still doing okay. Today I'm going to be doing a video for you on adverbs. Before I start and tell you what an adverb is, I wanted to review our parts of speech. Remember that our parts of speech are just the different kinds of words that we've learned so far this year. So the first one that we learned this year is a noun. And hopefully you remember that a noun is a person, place, or a thing. So for example, a noun could be Mr. Jones, it could be Southwest Christian Academy, or it could be Apple. The second kind of word that we learned about is a verb. A verb is an action word. So that would be words like sing, dance, jump, and skip. The third kind of word that we learned was an adjective. An adjective is a word that tells about a noun. So for example, it can be color words, and we also learned that all number words were adjectives. That puts us where we are today, which is adverbs. And I want you to look at the word adverb. And you'll notice on my card that I have verb underlined. That's because an adverb is a word that tells about a verb. And an adverb answers the question, how? So what we're going to do now is look at two different sentences. One thing about adverbs is that they usually end in ly. So our first sentence says, the bird sang loudly. So we're going to look at the verb, and remember we always underline our verbs 2 times each. So you can see that I have underlined sang 2 times. And then when we see the verb, we're going to say sang how. And then that is going to tell us that the adverb is loudly. So you're going to circle your adverb. The bird sang loudly. Okay, let's try another one. Remember that I said that adverbs usually end in ly, but they don't always end in ly. Let's look at this sentence. Alan jumped high over the fence. So we're going to find our verb. It's underlined 2 times again, and it's jumped in this sentence. And we're going to say jumped how. And the adverb is high. It tells us how Alan jumped over the fence. He jumped high. This is one of those cases where it does not end in an ly. So remember, adverbs are words that tell about a verb, and they usually end in ly. They answer the question how. Thank you.